So scope is something that is important for you to remember. Another issue that people sometimes run into when they're dealing with functions is naming collisions. So when you declare the same variable name in multiple places, that can create some issues and problems. If you have a variable name in a function, and you have a global variable with the same name, you do not get an error. The variable inside the function, the local variable, is going to be used instead of the global variable. So that is something that you need to be aware of. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. So we've got in the head section a global variable, and we've assigned Scooby-Doo to name. Okay, so this is global. It's known everywhere. And then down here in the body, we are declaring name again. So what happens? Well, when we prompt what is your name and we store a value in there, it is going to override Scooby-Doo. So then when we do the write line, it's going to write whatever we keyed in instead of Scooby-Doo. Okay, and then you'll notice that the favorite function works the same as before. Okay, so this is called a naming collision. We have two variables called name, and the local one, the more recent one, is the one that will be used. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, what is my name? Okay, I'm going to call myself Scrappy-Doo. What is Scrappy's favorite movie? We have no idea. Favorite song? Favorite sport? Sleeping. Okay, so name was initially set to Scooby-Doo. That was overridden by Scrappy-Doo, and then we've got the rest filled in. Okay, so that is a naming collision. So when I do coding, I try to use different variable names to avoid this problem.